Psychological thrillers, the dark corners of the mind. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. Psychological thrillers delve into the complexities of the human psyche, exploring themes of fear, guilt, and desire. Often characterized by intense narratives that keep readers on the edge of their seats, this genre masterfully blends suspense with deep psychological analysis. Emerging around the mid 20th century, psychological thrillers have their roots in both noir fiction and classic suspense novels. These stories tend to focus more on the mental states and emotional experiences of characters rather than action packed sequences, offering a gripping exploration of the dark and mysterious facets of human nature. What sets psychological thrillers apart is their ability to explore the inner workings of their characters' minds, often leading to unexpected twists and turns. The genre thrives on its examination of unreliable narrators, blurred lines between reality and perception, and the intricate interplay of characters' motives. The suspense often lies in the psychological tension between characters, making the reader question what is true and what is illusion. This genre challenges readers to think critically and immerse themselves in the complexity of human emotions. One essential book in this genre is Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn, a modern classic that explores the intricacies of marriage, deception, and media influence. Flynn's novel is renowned for its unpredictable plot and the way it shifts perspectives, leaving readers constantly guessing. Another must-read is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins, which uses an unreliable narrator to weave a tale of obsession and memory. The book's unique structure keeps readers engaged through multiple viewpoints, unraveling the mystery piece by piece. Shutter Island by Dennis Lehane offers a haunting exploration of reality and madness, set in a 1950s mental institution where nothing is as it seems. Lehane's expert storytelling and atmospheric setting create an unforgettable reading experience. Lastly, The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides delivers a gripping story of a woman's inexplicable silence following a shocking crime. The book is praised for its intense psychological depth and twist ending that takes readers by surprise. Fans of psychological thrillers are often those who enjoy dissecting complex characters and engaging in critical thinking to untangle intricate plots. Readers drawn to this genre appreciate the blend of psychological insight and suspense, valuing narratives that challenge assumptions and keep them guessing until the very end. The genre appeals to those interested in human behavior, motivation, and the sometimes blurry line between sanity and insanity. Common themes in psychological thrillers include isolation, obsession, identity, and the impact of trauma. These stories often feature protagonists grappling with their own mental states, moral dilemmas, and a pervasive sense of paranoia. Tropes such as unreliable narrators and plot twists are prevalent, along with settings that contribute to a sense of foreboding, such as remote locations or claustrophobic environments. The genre frequently questions the nature of truth and reality, enticing readers to delve deeper into the layers of the narrative. Psychological thrillers can be compared to horror, as both genres deal with fear and tension. However, Psychological thrillers focus more on the internal psychological struggle and less on external threats. Unlike mystery novels, which often center on solving a crime or puzzle, psychological thrillers delve into the characters' minds and emotional landscapes, making them rich in psychological complexity. Compared to traditional thrillers, which emphasize fast paced action, psychological thrillers prefer a slow burn that builds tension and delves into deeper themes. For those new to the genre, starting with Gone Girl offers a modern take on psychological thrillers, showcasing its narrative style and character complexity. Following this, The Girl on the Train provides insight into the use of unreliable narrators and multiple perspectives. Shutter Island introduces readers to atmospheric settings and themes of madness and reality, while The Silent Patient highlights the genre's penchant for shocking twists. By exploring these novels, readers will gain a comprehensive understanding of the genre's unique attributes and storytelling techniques, setting them on a path to appreciate the rich tapestry of psychological thrillers. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.